time here, I would love for you to subscribe because this channel is all about inspiration and creativity. And now I'll show you how this quilt was done. Now some of this quilt that I'm going to try to restore has a nice slice in it. So what I'm going to be using is this Nash Fuse It powder. And I think I'll do a little practice run right over here. Now a lot of this quilt I'm not going to be able to save. It's just too tattered, too torn, too worn. And I'm going to be taking a lot of it off. I'm just going to be trying to save this part right here, and I'm going to put a new binding on by hand. But right now I'm just going to do a little practice run and see if I can fuse this together. So what it says to do is you just kind of sprinkle it on. It's like glue in a powder form, right? So that's what we're going to try. Now it came with this Teflon sheet, and you need to cover it while you're ironing it. And I have my little iron already set up. So what I'm going to be doing, I've got the Teflon pad underneath it as well. So this is a little bit of a test run, and I'm going to kind of take off any frayed edges. Alright, I've sprinkled it on. Looks like salt. I am going to take a pen and kind of spread it out a little bit. Now on this piece it has the batting, which I don't know exactly what material it is, but it's very thin, so it's kind of soaking up this powder. But now what I want to do is, I think, start out very slow and see if I can take this here. Just fuse it together. Go over it with the iron. Let's see what I've got. Definitely pulled it together, and that was a pretty big tear. Be better if it was in the same, but that's not bad, really. It's definitely together. Is that what you want? She's very good, but when she wants dinner now. So I've pinned it on this side with my interfacing material that I've used. And now I'm turning it over just to make sure that that will work. And I think I'm good. So I put in the piece for the back, the yellow piece. And now I want to work on putting something behind the top piece. So this is just muslin, and I'm gonna have to kind of work it, but I think it would be better if there was something behind it. So I've got the muslin all tucked in underneath the piece that I'm going to be working on, kind of gluing it together. Right here where I have no fabric to attach to, what I've decided to do is the new muslin, I'm going to attach it to this piece and the top on top of that one, and then I can actually put a new piece on top. I think that'll be the best. This is kind of crazy, but I gotta try it. So I've got some tools out that maybe this will help this process. I have this little funnel, and I'm thinking that if I can put the powder in the funnel, maybe I can direct it a little, have a little bit more control over where it goes. I'm not sure that if this is a good thing or not. I have a stiletto, and I've just gotta kind of see what happens here. So wild. I mean, that's where the split was. It's kind of stiff though, right in here, but better than the split, and it'll save this quilt for sure. Wow, that's awesome. I think it's amazing. Put these other pieces on. Awesome. Now to do the back. So I'm going to do the same process I did in the front on the back. This little funnel really did help a lot. I could just, kind of work it in between and put the powder where I want it. So that helped. And the front is a little bit more stabilized, so I think the back is going to go a lot smoother. Because the trick with this is you don't want the glue on the top of the quilt. That's not where you want the glue. Well, I have to say that I really am a big fan of this Nash Fuse It powder. It's amazing.